Adobe Rush has been designed as a cross-platform for content creators to edit a video quickly and upload it on social platforms in no time. When I say quick, it means on phone. Not just on phone, you can use this Adobe Rush on your personal computer or on your laptop or Mac, and also on your phone. Adobe Rush is pretty good for going through with basic editing and color correction. When you first start with the Adobe Rush, the main window opens where all your projects are shown. You can start creating a project by clicking on this button and start importing the rushes, which means the unedited raw files. You can import it through the gallery in your phone or through any specific folder. Now the project that I have selected is open and all the rushes are on the timeline. Now it is time to cut and paste them. Click on the footage that you want and select the time where you want this particular video to start. Then drag the end of the footage to that point. Once all you're done with the trimming, you can view the full video. Now comes adding titles, transitions, and color corrections. All these three things come under the default options which are present at the bottom of the timeline. When you select a title, you get a new text layer in your timeline. You can select from various text animation titles, and you can also make changes in the speed and angle of the animation with the help of these options. I'm just going to select this one right here. Now transitions. There are three basic transitions: cross dissolve, dip to black, and dip to white. Drag the needed transition and drop it on the clip. Dip to black makes a black smooth fade in fade out effect at the cut. Same goes for dip to white. Now comes the color correction. There are already few presets that you can choose from, but you can also edit the preset and make one of your own. You have control over exposure, contrast, highlights, and a few more things as such. Alright, it is time to talk about the speed. You can change the speed of the footage as shown in terms of time. This means you can control how fast or slow the video runs. These settings will help you to set the video faster than the normal. The lesser the amount of the percentage, the slower the video is going to be. The next option is transform. With this option, you can change the position and the scale of the video. Not to forget, you can also crop and rotate it as per your needs. Finally, after the editing is completed, now comes the exporting. You can export in source resolution, or you can change to whatever resolution you want it to be. The exported video will be saved in the gallery. So that's about the basic of Adobe Rush. I have partially shifted to using this app too, and trust me, it'll help you save a lot of your time. I have posted a video which I recently edited by this app, and you can go check it out by clicking the option appearing on the right of the screen, or by clicking the link mentioned in the description below. I really hope this video was helpful, and thank you.